Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you three very important Google Ads settings that you should know in order to get any meaningful results from your own campaign. But before I get into that, my name is Treasure, and if you need help with your own Google Ads campaigns, don't forget to click the link in the description. So let's get into it. Okay, so this first setting has to do with where your ads are being shown. And to find it, just head on over to campaign settings. And under this networks tab, none of them should be turned on. So if any of these are turned on, make sure you turn it off. At least for 90% of you guys. If you're not a big brand, you won't be using this. So the display network are those ads you see on websites. And this search network is mostly for all these ads that you see on packed domains. So by turning both of them off, you would have saved at least 70% of your budget already. So make sure you turn these two off and don't forget to click on save. All right, so this next very important setting has to do with the location where your Google ads are being shown. And to locate that, head on over to campaign settings again and scroll all the way to locations. Now, you probably thought you imputed the right location, but if you click under here on this location options, it's a very hidden setting that Google doesn't want you to know about. But if you click that, you're going to see presence or presence or interest. Make sure your campaign is set to presence at least for 90% of you guys. And I know there might be situations where you might need to use presence or interest, maybe um tourism campaigns, you understand. But for 90% of you, you save a lot of your money just by using this presence. And again, don't forget to click on save. All right, so this last setting is one that most people don't even have any idea about, and it's called the accounts level automated assets. And to find this, just come over to campaigns. Under assets, you're going to click on these three icons: account level automated assets, again, advanced settings. So you're going to see all these settings that are automatically turned on when you create your Google Ads account. You're just going to come over here and turn every one of them off. This is very important because Google is going to generate some um automatically, it's going to create automatic assets for you, and a lot of the times you won't need them. You understand? You might not need dynamic images, you might not need automated locations, you probably won't need most of these. So make sure you come over here and turn every one of them off and don't forget to save. So yeah, I hope you found this really helpful. And again, if you need help with your own Google Ads campaign, don't forget to click the link in the description to get in touch with me.